So the first step is to remove these quick rivets right here, and I'll put it back in here. But basically, you just take a small flathead, and there's this little indent right there. Just gotta poke it in there and then twist. So twist the screwdriver. You see it pop out like that, and then you can take it out. So these are you need to remove these because we're going to be substituting the bolts into these hole spots here. So do it for for these two over here and the two right over there too as well, and then you should be good. Once you remove those quick rivets there, then you're going to use some bolts that came with the kit. If you bought the kit, I bought the kit. If you didn't, part numbers are right here. Okay, and then when you put it in, there's gonna be two brackets, and basically you want the one that sits flush right here against this bracket right here. That way there's a gap between here, so if you decide to hook anything on here for extra luggage, you know, strapping it down or whatever on top, then you have that space right here. I was using the other one on here, and it's actually part number 8 right down here. So that one is the right side, and then the bumper, one of them will say L2, which is the left side. This one here is R2, if I can find it. This is probably the other side. Yeah, but basically that's going to be wherever the letters are at, that's going to face the inside of the bike. So when you go on the left side, the L2 and the R2 is going to be facing the inside of the bike. So this is on the left side, it's going to be this way. Okay, when you install it, that's pretty much it. And then I put blue Loctite on here just so that way it doesn't get loosened up after, you know, vibration and so forth. So I read on some forums where someone lost their saddlebags because I don't know how it kind of came off, but it came off, and then he lost one of the side cases, and they're not cheap. So blue Loctite, just for my own peace of mind, torque these down to 18 foot-pounds, and you should be all set. So I did it to this side already. I'm going to go ahead and torque these down to 18 foot-pounds, and then go back to the other side and do it. This will probably take you, I think, like 30 minutes at most. Alright, and the last step is to just put these little safety stickers, not stickers, but I forgot what they're called, but they're all labeled. Just gotta match it, you know. But if you look at the parts here, they will say left hand side, so guard grip, so the L for left. So I kind of sorted it out for myself already. So this part to the left are all left, and again, just look at the part number here, not the part number, but description. So this is left L, so these are all left, so that's basically the same. These are R's for right side, and so forth. So pretty straightforward there. When you install these, let's see here, look at the instructions here. So basically 4 and 5s are going to be like the major one that's going to stick right inside here. Oops, right inside here. So the big back plate right there, that's 4 and 5, and then the smaller ones are going to be right down here, and I think above here as well. So that smaller one's going to be up there, and the bigger one with that weird angle shape is going to be down here. So let me get this one. So this one is going to go up top like this, because that's the only flat, because it kind of tapers back towards this way. So pretty self-explanatory. Just match them up.